Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
polishing waxing kits.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
.3M is excited to introduce our new Perfected Gelcoat finishing system. The line is easy to use for both buffing professionals and vehicle owners, and works great on used and new surfaces alike. Products in the .3M Perfected Gelcoat buffing system are formulated specifically for gelcoat surfaces, making it easier for you to achieve a perfect gelcoat finish every time. Since the condition of different gelcoat surfaces can vary greatly, .3M included a simple navigation tool on its bottles to help you decide which products in the system are appropriate for each buffing job. In any typical gelcoat buffing job, you will likely be performing some combination of the following 4 tasks: pre-washing the surface ahead of refinishing, cutting to remove major oxidation, scratches, and other defects, polishing to remove minor oxidation, scratches, and swirls, and waxing to leave a great shine while protecting your surface from the elements. .3M's new Perfected Gelcoat finishing system can help you best perform all of these tasks and achieve great results. The first product in the line, designed for pre-washing, is .3M Perfected Boat Wash. It is specifically formulated for use in the marine environment. It won't strip wax and is a great way to prepare your surface before buffing. Depending on the degree of oxidation, scratches, or other defects, your next step will be buffing with either .3M Perfected Heavy Cutting Compound, .3M Perfected Medium Cutting Compound plus wax, or .3M Perfected Light Cutting Polish plus wax. Each of these products is designed to leave a great finish, so using all 3 one after another isn't necessary. If you are unable to determine which product
Adams Polish's graphene coating is the next evolution of ceramic protection for your vehicle. Adams Polish's graphene coating is more durable. It can be applied to all surfaces of your vehicle, including your glass, your plastic, your paint, chrome, any material that is on your car it can be applied to, and it has less surface tension than any coating that we've ever offered. What that means to you, the consumer, is it makes it easier to clean your car and it makes your car shinier for a longer period of time. It does that by having more resistance to stains such as bug guts, bird droppings. It has more resistance to scratching with surface scratching with towels, with washing-induced scratches. Your car will stay shinier longer with this graphene protection on it. Adams Polish's graphene ceramic coating also is incorporated with our patented UV technology. As you can see, as you shine a UV light on it, the coating will turn blue. Easier to clean your car and it makes for a longer period of time. It does that by to stains such as bird droppings. It has more resistance to washing scratches. Also rated our UV technology. As you can shine a UV, that gives you confidence to know exactly where you have applied the Adams Polish's graphene ceramic coating. The launch's graphene ceramic coating is with the addition of the graphene oxide to our ceramic coating, reinforcement layer for years now. The best thing about that is on surfaces such as this glass that have surface tension on your whole vehicle. Tree's technology always marches on. It is taking the wonderful technology that everybody loves and it is taking it a step further.
Hi, I'm Justin Lobato, and I'm here to talk to you about the benefits of the Reflection Artist Pad Kit by Buff & Shine Manufacturing. The benefits of this kit is real simple. First off, we've simplified the whole process of buffing pads by offering 5 pads And of course, with this pad system, you've got from the least aggressive to the most aggressive, as of course you can see here. So we have our two fiber-based pads, which is our Euro Wool Blend and then our Euro Fiber Finisher pad. These are going to be our most aggressive pads. The Euro Wool Blend offers a great cut and finish, and then for where you want super cut, you would get into our Euro Fiber Finisher pad. Then from there, you have three foams. From our least aggressive, which is going to be our polishing pad, our yellow pad, our heavy polishing blue pad, and then our medium cut maroon pad. All five of these pads will allow you to cover up to about 70% of the current paint systems on the market. And it simplifies that because it allows you to basically do all the paint correction from polishing to multi-step all within this kit. It simplifies it, makes it way easier, and it becomes the most universal pad kit on the market. And the best part about it is once you fall in love with an individual pad, you could purchase those pads individually, and they come with the kit, they come in a 6-inch and 5-inch. But they also come in 3-inch, 2-inch, and 1-inch in some cases with the individual pads. So we have our two fiber-based pads, which is our Euro Wool Blend and then our Euro Fiber Finisher pad. Then from there, you have three foams. All five of these pads will allow you to cover up to about 70% of the current paint systems on the market. And the best part about it is once you fall in love with an individual pad, you could purchase those pads individually, and they also come in 3-inch, 2-inch, and 1-inch in some cases with the individual pads.